stop scrolling right now. Because the shine you're about to see can literally make your car look brand new in minutes. Most people think you need expensive detailing to get that mirror finish, but the truth is, with the right car polish and a few smart hacks, you can get professional level results at home. Imagine your car turning heads on the road, reflecting light like glass, and looking freshly detailed every single day. In this guide, we're diving into the top 5 car polishes you should be using, along with powerful hacks that will completely transform the way you polish your car. Each one comes with a simple method and a smart trick that most people don't know. Let's get straight into it. The first polish on the list is a classic liquid car polish that's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. This type of polish is known for restoring shine and removing light scratches while giving your car a smooth finish. To use it, start by washing your car properly so there's no dust or dirt left. Once the surface is clean and dry, take a small amount of polish onto a soft microfiber cloth or applicator pad. Apply it in circular motions across the surface, working in small sections. Now here's the hack. Instead of applying pressure, let the polish do the work. Most people press too hard, which actually reduces the shine. Use light pressure and slow, even movements. After letting it sit for a minute or two, buff it off using a clean microfiber towel. The result? A deep, glossy shine that looks professionally done. The second polish is a paste wax polish, which is thicker and provides longer-lasting protection. This is perfect if you want that deep, rich shine along with a protective layer against dust and sunlight. To apply this, use a foam applicator and gently spread a thin layer across the car's surface. Always remember, thin layers are better than thick ones. Here's the hack. Apply the paste wax in a shaded area or during cooler times of the day. If you apply it under direct sunlight, it dries too quickly and becomes hard to remove, leaving uneven patches. Once applied, let it haze, then buff it off using a clean cloth. This will give your car a deep, wet look shine that lasts for weeks. The third polish is spray polish, also known as quick detailer. This is ideal for quick touch-ups and maintaining shine between full washes. It's super easy to use and saves a lot of time. Simply spray it directly onto the surface and wipe it with a microfiber cloth. Now here's the hack. Always use 2 cloths. One cloth to spread the spray and another dry cloth to buff it out. This prevents streaks and gives a flawless finish. Also never use spray polish on a dirty car because it can cause scratches. This polish is perfect for last-minute shine before heading out. The fourth polish is compound polish, which is more powerful and used for removing deeper scratches and oxidation. This is where things get serious. If your car paint looks dull or has visible scratches, this is the solution. Apply a small amount on an applicator pad or machine polisher and work it into the surface. Here's the hack. Always test on a small hidden area first. Compound polish is strong, and if used incorrectly, it can damage the paint. Use it only where needed, not on the entire car unless necessary. After compounding, always follow up with a lighter polish to restore the shine. This 2-step process gives your car a completely revived look. The fifth and final polish is ceramic polish or ceramic coating polish. This is the most advanced option and provides long-term protection along with extreme shine. It creates a protective layer that repels water, dust, and dirt. To use it, make sure the car surface is perfectly clean and dry. Apply a few drops onto an applicator pad and spread evenly across the panel. Here's the hack. Work panel by panel and don't rush. Ceramic polish needs proper curing time to bond with the surface. Once done correctly, your car will have a glass-like shine and water will literally slide off the surface. Now let's talk about some bonus pro hacks that apply to all types of car polish. Microfiber is soft and prevents scratches while giving a better finish. Another important tip is to never polish a dirty car. Always wash and dry it first. Dirt particles can cause micro scratches during polishing. Use separate cloths for applying and buffing. Mixing them reduces effectiveness and can leave marks. Also, work in small sections instead of doing the entire car at once. This gives you better control and a more even finish. One more powerful trick, use a dual-action polisher if you want next-level results. It saves time and gives a more consistent shine compared to hand polishing. And here's something most people ignore, timing. Don't polish your car under direct sunlight or on a hot surface. This causes the polish to dry too quickly and reduces its effectiveness. Early morning or evening is the best time for polishing. By now, you can see that getting a showroom-level shine is not about expensive tools, it's about the right technique and smart hacks. Whether you're using liquid polish, paste wax, spray detailer, compound, or ceramic polish, the method and small details make all the difference. Imagine applying these techniques and seeing your car transform right in front of your eyes. That deep reflection, smooth surface, and glossy finish, it's not just satisfying, it's addictive. Now it's your turn. Go try these top 5 car polish methods and hacks on your own car and see the difference yourself. And when you do, come back and tell me in the comments which polish worked best for you and which hack gave you the most amazing result. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more powerful tips like this. Your support helps bring more amazing content your way. And yes, drop your comments on my channel. I read every single one of them and I'd love to hear your experience. See you in the next video. Until then, keep your car shining like a mirror.